What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox error code 267, or you were kicked from this game. So let's get right into this. If you're getting this error code, the easiest way to, there's two ways to basically fix this. The first thing you can do is just straight up log out of your account and then log back into your account and see if that basically fixes it for you. If not, the next thing that you can do is to go to your search bar and type in network connections until you see this page pop up. Right click into either Ethernet or Wi-Fi and then go to properties, basically whatever you're connected to. So I'm connected via Ethernet. Click into Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Go into properties. In here, yours is going to be on obtain DNS server address automatically. You want to change this to use the following DNS server addresses and change it to 1.1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. You want to then press OK. You want to basically, you can, if you want, log out again and log back in, or even restart your computer and then try to turn Roblox back on and see if this fixes it for you, because now you should not be getting kicked out and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you got the video, please press up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then more tutorials out. Peace.